Don't know what we have to do.
So I went a few different places to get some more home organization items. Some of these things will work, some of them I'm going to have to return, but I went to Bed Bath & Beyond, Target, and the Dollar Tree. All right, so some of the things I've already started placing them where I thought I would need them. Yeah, so I got quite a bit of these risers. This one came from Bed Bath & Beyond. I got 2 from there. I got 1 from Target and 2 from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, this came from Target. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this. This may go back because it's not large enough, and I may just exchange it and get a bigger size. But I got this for my washroom, the laundry room. All right, this caddy, it's too wide for the back of our door, so I know I'm gonna have to take this back. I just tried it. This came out of Bed Bath & Beyond, but I wanted to put my urn, take it off that rack, but it doesn't work. I got this thing out of, it's a shower caddy, but I thought I could put, let me open it up. I thought I could put my flat urns and all of that in there, but I don't like that it's mesh. Because it won't necessarily stand up. But look at this. This would be perfect to put flat urns in. So I may still hold on to it and see if I can use it. I haven't tried it out yet, but I want it to be firm. So maybe I can find something that will hold this, maybe some sand or something. I don't know. Put it in there so it'll stay up, and then be able to put all of my flat urns in there and put it under my sink. That's my idea for now. I got a lot of these. I think I saw Christy Mail because I wanted the ones from the Container Store again, but I may still have to go that route. But they're like $30 and up for them. But these are only, this lid was like $1 and this was like $5 to $7. So I may use both systems, but I like that this is like little compact. I can put my feminine you know, wipes and tampons and all that stuff in here was my idea, and maybe like some nail stuff, since those things are smaller. So that's how that looks. And then the rest of it, oh, and then I ended up getting this. I may not use this as well because I think I came up with another idea for my seasoning rack, but I like this. So I don't know, I haven't opened it up and tried it yet, so we'll see if I'll keep this one or use the other system that I came up with. But this was 20 bucks at the Bed Bath & Beyond as well. So I went there and just bought so much stuff, just trying to get a little bit more organized. So let's go ahead and get into the home organization part of the video, and I'll share some of the items or hacks and tricks and all that I came up with, okay? Okay, so let me share what I've done under my sink. I'm really, really proud with it. This is what I came up with right here. I am loving the space. Okay, love it. Okay, so this, I wanted to share what I used. I found this on clearance at Home Goods. It was $11. That's what it's originally meant for, a party bucket and all that good stuff. But I went on and put all of our hair supplies in here. Shampoo, conditioner, anything I need, I'm able to grab it. Leave-in moisturizer, all that good stuff is housed here. Love it. I didn't know what I was going to do with this bucket, but I knew that I could use it. Perfect. And I could see through. Cannot beat that. And it was $11, like I said. This is how I house these things, are from Target. I think I was inspired. I want to say Christy Mail originally came up with this little system, because again, I was going to order off the Container Store, but I just need to see and touch things. So I ended up getting 3 different sizes. At some point, I will put some little labels on there to make them all cute and stuff, but alrighty, the first one is just like lashes, mascara, all that good stuff is in here. And I even have this like face remover cream by Nair. So that's what's in this first container. And then I did get a lid for it. I just wish the smaller ones had keyholes like the other ones. I ended up getting 2 lids, and then it has a lid on here. And this is all nail. I don't really have too many nail things, but whatever was related to nails that I found under the sink, nail polishes. These are little stones in that little bag, and it's stones in this little bag. So that's all the nail products I own. I may own a few more nail files that needs to get added in here. And then this is just like women's feminine products in there. All that stuff. So that's what's in this one. I love it. And then I just have them stacked. Just like that. And I believe these were like $7 for the larger size. And the top was $1. Yeah. And here is the lashes. Alright. This tray was under my sink already, and I just like that I can put all of my combs, brushes, scissors. This is some oil and some Vaseline. I love it. And then I can just add like a bit of hair clips and bobby pins when I can find them. I had this originally on my sink when we first moved in a couple of months ago, but it was just so bulky, and so now I'm just storing, this is extra bars of soap that's in here, and then like after I get out the shower I can just spray on a little body mist. So that's what I just housed there. And then in this little bag, I like the little Sephora bag. I just went there yesterday and bought some stuff, so I just kept the bag because it fits really nicely. So it just has a few palettes, some bath salt, and a face mask. So this is probably what I'll just use to store like face masks in until I'm able to find another little bag or whatever. I left the tag on here so I can remember to tell you where it's from. This is from Target. Love this size. It's nice and sturdy. The ones from Dollar Tree are so flimsy and really weak. So this one is well worth it. Pay a few more dollars and get stability. Yeah. And then I just picked this little bag up from CVS. I had a 40% off coupon. And so this will be like if I need to go out the door and grab a makeup bag. I like it's by Kylie and Kayla. Who is that by? Kendall and Kylie Jenner, the Kardashian sisters, whatever. I just liked it. It was cute. It was white and it's clean. So that's what I'm gonna house there. And this is my under my sink. I went on and added some labels. They're not the best quality stickers because they do stick, lift up a little bit. Not every single letter lift up, but they were only on clearance for $1 and some change. These are the letters. Came out of Target. You see, on clearance for $1.38. And then I just went on and added the words in. They'll do for now. I mean, it's under my cabinet. It's fine. If I find some more labels, stickers, I definitely will switch them out at some point. I added in this little Dollar Tree tray. Love it. It has all of my hair barrettes, my brooches that I put on my towels at sometimes, and then a lot of them, you know, see, it's for your hair. So I love this tray that I can just use the things and put them back right here. Okay, so I also added in this little turnstile tray, which is also from Target. All of my multivitamins and biotins and B12 gummies and all that will be housed here. And then I'm also going to put my face wash on this little turnstile. But look, it's perfect here. I did have to add like a little clear riser for the hair tray, just so I can add this in and it'll be no problem. So this is everything quite different from what I did start. Very organized. I can get to everything. I can see everything. These are transparent so I can still see through what I need to. I love that. This makes me happy when I open under my sink. You can see all the nice sparkly items. So yeah, this is it. I love this little thing here. I'm just missing a multivitamin. I just finished it off, so I have to go get another bottle and get some face wash in there. And I will be completely finished with under my sink. So beautiful. So this is what I had the seasonings in housed up there, and they were just tossed any type of way because there was just absolutely no room. And here is what fell out the basket because it couldn't fit. So I'm just going to try to get everything cleared out. Look at that, it's brown sugar back here that I didn't even know about. Soy sauce, just everything. Okay, so this is the original, what I had up here, just this. I just added in this little tiered thing from the Dollar Tree. It's really not that sturdy, but it's gonna do what it needs to do. So over here I'm gonna put all the taller, bigger bottles, and then I'm gonna house all of those over there. And then I'm gonna put this other little Dollar Tree rack in there. Look at that. See, I tried to put a Lazy Susan in here, but it was too small, but this fits perfect. And then I can even store things right behind here. I love that. So it's gonna be organized in like 2 seconds. So I'm gonna take all of this stuff out of here. See, like the larger cinnamon sugar. Oops, I forgot to take the little thing off. See those things? Okay, so this is the result. And I even have a little more room back here to put things. So this is the first, this is the second and third row. For the first row, this is what I did. I had this little container, and I'm just gonna put it here. So I just don't want these to tip over and fall down, so the container will house, you know, stop a lot of it from tipping over, because this thing is not the best as it is from the Dollar Tree, but nonetheless it looks really awesome. Look at that. This, and then I can even house, like you see down there, I can put the baking powder. I can love it. Love it. So that's another organized space here in my home. Let me share under the cabinet. So, okay, down here, I just replaced it, so I'm trying to use this up. I tweaked under my kitchen cabinet. This is awesome. So that's my new one. I had turned it at an angle, and I'm able to still pump it out, and I added in this amazing Lazy Susan. Look at it. I'm able just to turn it, but mostly only thing I would need is, you know, right here. But my furniture polish is under here. I use the Raid for flies. Even my big old thing of odor band is there. So I love it. I thought this was going to be a little bit too large, but it works perfectly. And then back there is just the carpet freshener, and then I have extra like soap in here. So this is beautiful. And then I added in one of these little Dollar Tree risers, so now I'm able just to lift up and get a Swiffer without any problems. And then this is like the Lysol and the Cascade. I never even use this stuff. I told you I don't even use my dishwasher, but I just have it just to have. And then I have this little thing I clean out the bottles and just extra stuff right here. So it is so beautiful. Love it. And then again, I still have, let's see if you can see it back here. Remember, okay, you may not be able to see it, but it's a bar. There you go. I have that IKEA bar on this side, and it houses my duster, some extra large trash bags, and all that stuff. And then right back there is the hummingbird feeder. You know, the hummingbirds, hopefully they'll come back soon. And then over here, I have all of my sprays, you know, that's over here on this bar. So these bars are from IKEA. If I can find the name, I'll try to link it below. But I just drilled that into the cabinet, and that's where all of my spray bottles are. And then these are all like the Pine Sol, the pour bottles. They don't have a spout to hang on the bar. And so let me step back and share. That's how it looks under my sink. Oh, this is how I had to house my, yeah, this is government housing, so the pipes are gross, but this is the bag holder. I'll just set it up there on top of the pipes, so we just shove in the grocery bags. So yeah, like I said, this is military housing, so we just have to encounter and endure that. I tried to scrub that off, it won't come. It is what it is, but anywho, and then I even have an extra spray bottle up there. Let me show you. Like I wanted to, thought that was a nice large bottle, so if I ever need an extra large bottle, I just place it up there for the future. Like I may put odor band, some of that odor band can go in that bottle. But here you go. And then there's my little drying rack. This is awesome, perfect. I just needed some, those bottles were getting a little out of hand over there, so everything works. So from under my sink, and then I'll just leave these because when I don't feel like going under here grabbing one of those bottles, I just have this. I like this scent. This is lavender, yeah, for Mrs. Myers. Yeah. Okay, and then here is that. Oh, I love it. Oh, and let me share what I just did. Updated refrigerator. This is what I did. I added in these risers. I'm gonna test it out for a little bit. I know I'm gonna for sure keep this one. I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna keep this one. I had the Dollar Tree one. I actually had this one in there, which was a good size, but it was a little bit too flimsy, so I went back and added. These came out of Bed Bath & Beyond, and they were like $8, but they're so sturdy and I like it. So I'm gonna tweak and play with this, but I like this one so good. I have the strawberries over here, and then I have the extra milk and juice back there. So for sure leaving this one, but I'm not sure about it. And my pantry is still working out beautifully. It's still organized. It's just, you know, this stuff over here on the side is a bit messy, but other than that, I added in the popcorn, so that's kind of making this bread section a little bit messy, but other than that, I still have all of my salad stuff there. This drawer, these bottles, we're going to do away with them. We're going to get a water dispenser like we had over in Germany. We just haven't got it to it yet, and I think I'm going to have to add it right here and have to move this rack. My veggie rack, I'm gonna have to move this because the plug is here, so we may have to add the water jug there. And my aloe vera plant is still there. But anywho, this is, we just bought that from Sam's yesterday, so I need to get that together. But other than that, everything else is working out well. Still organized, still working out. So awesome, yeah. So I just wanted to share some of the little updates. I'm so happy about this right here. And under here, oh, that's beautiful. Uh-oh, they got stuck. Look, that is beautiful though. Look at this, so organized, love it. Thank you so very much for hanging and rocking out with me. I hope you guys got some organization tips and tricks and hacks and all that good stuff. I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye. Look at these beauties right here. Oh, they are so gorgeous. They're rainbow roses are what they were called. So Mr. got me some of those, and then I got some more lilies. I put them in this little tiny jar. This little flower came off of those flowers over here, and I just added in there. Look, I'm just trying something new with these oranges. We have so many. We have these oranges, and then we also have more oranges. We went to Sam's yesterday, and so I just have them sitting in here. So I was like, what I'm gonna do? So I put some oranges over here in this little tray. I love it. And then my flowers, my roses, so beautiful. Okay, and then over here, this is how I styled the table. I put this tray, this used to be on my coffee table, so I switched out trays and put this tray, and then I added in these. I never had these flowers, so let's see how they do. But look at that. How cute is that? Fruit and fresh flowers, man. Awesome. Yeah, I like that tray. That tray is cute.